So, if you're someone that's living paycheck to paycheck, so you're basically looking to quit your 9 to 5 job so you can live life on your own terms, so you can achieve financial, time, and location freedom. Okay, so you're really desperate. You want that freedom to live life on your own term, so you can fire your boss one day, so you can become your own boss. That's what you're looking for, right? Well, this video is specifically for you. Okay, this video is for you and you specifically you. So you are in my mind. In today's video, guys, I'm basically going to show you how you can be on your way to quitting that 9 to 5 job and basically making money. Okay, so we talk about money, and so you can quit that job and all that stuff. Now, if you guys are brand new to my channel, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jostel Breslau Guarmabiala, and on this channel I teach ordinary people, just regular people just like you, how to make money online and build a passive income business from the comfort of your home, specifically with affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, just don't worry about that one now. I'm gonna cover that later on when we get to this video. Okay, so just don't worry about it. If you don't know what it is, like, what the heck is affiliate marketing? I never heard of that. Just don't worry about it. I'm gonna cover that later on when we get to this video. Okay, so yeah, and at the same time too, what now, guys, I'm also working a full-time job as a full-time dishwasher at a home retirement community, and at the same time I'm also building my online business on the side, my affiliate marketing business on the side. Okay, so I'm a regular person just like you, okay, who's also on my way to quitting my 9 to 5 job, and and I'm building my business on the side. So basically my online business right now is like a side business, so I haven't went full-time with it yet. Once it takes off to a level where I want it to be, I'm gonna go full-time with it. Meaning what? Am I making money? Yes, I am making money with my business, but the goal is for me to make enough so I can make enough to quit my job so I can go full-time with it. Right now it's not at the level where I want it to be yet, so I can go full-time. So once I'm making enough income in my online business, I'm gonna go all in with my online business, and I'm gonna quit my job. So I'm also someone who's looking to quit my job just as much as you. Okay, so don't think I'm some kind of random guy out there. They know the online gurus, like, what is, they know the online gurus making wealthy, millions of dollars, all this fake lifestyle you see all over social media. I'm not your guy. Okay, I'm just a regular guy just like you, a regular person just like you. I want you to understand that you can connect with me. Okay, I am a regular dude working a regular job, also hustling on building a business, a 6-figure business on the side. Okay, and working a full-time job Monday to Friday, and I get Saturday, Sundays off. Okay, so I am not some crazy guy driving a private riding a private jet, or driving a Lambo, or whatever you're thinking. You see? So so let's talk about this, guys. And before we get to this video also, guys, make sure that if you are looking for a way to make a full-time income online, you're looking for a step-by-step blueprint that's going to teach you how you can make a full-time income online, specifically what I do with what I do. You want to make a full-time income online, you want to work from home, you want to make an online income, just make sure that you click on the first link you see down below under this YouTube description, so so you can get instant access to my all-in-one digital business program. This is basically going to be a program that's going to teach you how to build your entire business online and how you can make a full-time income online. Okay, and when you get to the link down below in the YouTube description, you click on it, you put your information. I'm going to send you 2 emails. Okay, and both of these emails, one email is going to be a free training, and one email is going to be a paid training. Now the email that's going to be the free training, that email is basically going to be basically a roadmap training. That's going to be a free training that's going to teach you a roadmap on how you can quit your 9 to 5 job, achieve financial, time, and location freedom. Now my paid training, this is going to be basically how you're going to set up your entire business. This basically we're going to teach you how to build your business exactly. We're gonna show you the tools. We're gonna show you what you need to do, everything. So it's gonna be like we're literally in the next 24 hours you should be having a 6-figure business ready to go, up and running. Okay, and then and then you just have to get access to the training if that's what you're looking for. Okay, so it's all under the YouTube description. And also make sure that when you try to see my emails, you also check your promotional tab, because a lot of my emails are going to land in your promotional tab. So if you don't see my email inside your email inbox, just check your promotional tab to check it, to see to see it and all that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, money, right? Let's talk about money. Okay, like what does it mean to make money and all that kind of stuff. Guys, when it comes to making money, let me make sure I make this very clear so you guys understand. You guys have to sell something, okay? Because there's so many people out here that thinks when it comes to making money, they're thinking so much about like crypto, or like some weird type of investment. But the real way to leverage on how to make real money, guys, is to sell something. Stop thinking the money is just gonna come out of thin air because you made some weird investment on some trading, on some crypto or whatever. Okay, we live in a digital era, right? We live in an age where the internet, okay, has taken over. So you need to sell something online or something on the internet to people, okay? Some sort of product, and that product is going to bring money inside your pocket, okay? For example, you guys see me as an affiliate marketer. That's what the business that I do, right? Affiliate marketing. I sell product, right? Which is, what kind of product do I sell? I sell other people's product and then earn a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is basically a way that you make money by selling other people's product. That's what I do specifically, promoting other people's product and services, and then I earn a commission. I earn money by selling other people's stuff. So you have to sell something. Does that make sense? It's not even about just this idea of just you just making money or making some type of investment. It doesn't work like that. You need to sell something. A lot of people out here are just thinking about, let me put some money on some crypto, let me put some money on some real estate, let me put some money on some investment that you have no clue about. Okay, the best leverage, guys, that you can ever do today in a digital era we're living in is to sell something to someone. Okay, sell some sort of product online to someone, and whenever that person is gonna buy that product that you're going to sell to them, you're gonna earn money through that product. Like I said, me, for example, I'm an affiliate marketer. I do affiliate marketing. I sell products that don't belongs to me to other companies like Amazon, Walmart, JCPenney, billion-dollar companies. I promote their product by just referring a customer, and these companies pay me. So you have to sell a product. You have to sell something. Make sense? When it comes to making money, money does not come out of thin air. It comes out of people's pocket. So many people never have this idea of understanding what does it even mean to make money. Okay, think about all the money that you see in the world that's always moving. What do you always see around you? People are always buying something, okay, and they're always buying something that brings value to their life. So you want to make sure that you're going to sell something that's going to bring value to someone else's life. Okay, it could be whatever type of products you want to sell. It could be some sort of weight loss product, meaning there could be a product that's going to solve a specific problem for someone in the marketplace. It could if it's losing weight loss, that means you're going to sell a product that's around losing weight. It could be you selling a product around maybe building an online business. That means if people are interested in making passive income, building a business online. It could be a product that's around maybe how to that people can learn about how to improve their finance. It could be product around technology type of product. Whatever product that people are looking for, it has to be a specific type of product that you're going to sell out there, okay, that people are going to buy from you, that's going to solve a specific problem to their life. Does that make sense? You have to understand that when it comes to making money, it's not about just the money onto itself. Money itself is not the issue. You need to sell something, and that something needs to bring a solution to someone else's problem. A lot of people think so much about thinking that you're just gonna get money coming inside your pocket. It doesn't work like that. Money does not come out of thin air. It comes out of people's pocket. Think about all of the stuff yourself that you see around you. People buy stuff, and that's how people make money. Don't think you're just gonna press a button to some trading investment and then money is just gonna come in your pocket. It doesn't work like that. Okay, you wanna create true generational wealth, you need to sell something. Okay, that's just what it is, and there's no way around that. Okay, you need to sell a product, you need to sell something to someone. Okay, and what I'm going to advise to you is to do affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is basically you promoting other people's product and services and then earning a commission, and that's what I love about it. Okay, so yeah, so when it comes to money, guys, if you guys have to sell something, especially when it comes to you thinking about quitting your 9 to 5 or whatever, right? You need to sell something. You need to sell a product. Guys, I want you guys to look at what I do specifically. Me personally, I'm an affiliate marketer, right? Now, the way I make my money is by promoting products that already exist, products that are already out there. Make sense? That's how I make my money as an affiliate marketer. You see, for example, if you come to a platform like Digistore24, for example, you can see over here that this platform has 1,210 products. You see? And what I can do is that it's basically, first, let me say that it's an affiliate marketplace. Okay, meaning that as an affiliate, because like I said, me personally, I do what you call affiliate marketing. So basically, I promote other people's product and services, and I earn a commission. So you see over here, right here, you see this product over here, like the Genius Wave, the Mitoline, the Moringa Magic Supplement in Health. All these products like the Primo, the Primo Grow Pro, all of these products, right? If I sell, let's say, if I end up promoting this product, that's how much money is gonna go inside my pocket. $46.15. You see? So I'm selling a product that's already out there, okay, that people want, okay, and once I sell it to those people who want this type of product, I'm gonna end up earning $46.15. Or for example, let's say if I wanted to sell something like this, like the Mitoline, for example, this supplement in health, this supplement product, right? I can sell this product over here and earn $123.25. And you understand that I'm not just selling or promoting any of this product to a bunch of random people. No, I'm promoting it to people who are actually interested in supplement type of stuff. So that means maybe people are trying to do some type of diet or weight, they're trying to lose weight. I can sell them product like this, like health and fitness type of product, and stuff like that. You see? And let's say if I wanted to promote this product over here, for example, I can just click on the promote now button, and that link right there, this link is what I'm gonna send people to. So once people click on that link, they make a buying decision, they buy this product, I'm gonna end up earning $130.02. You see? So you have to sell something, guys. Okay? This is why I recommend affiliate marketing, because it's the best business model out there, because you don't have to create the product, you don't have to worry about the customer service of this product, you just have to promote this product and then earn your commission. You see? So when it comes to making money online, guys, like I said, you need to sell something. Okay, you've got to sell something to somebody. Okay, now for example, if you guys come to like on the side where it says digital products over here, you can see that there's a bunch of products around business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating and relationship, education, email marketing, families and children, fashion. You can see that inside each of these categories, there's a bunch of products. For example, the business and investment has about 150. Computer and internet, they have about 83. Dancing and music, they have about 11 products. Dating and relationship has about 45 products. So if you're going to sell, let's say some kind of dating and relationship product, let's click on it, for example. If you're going to sell any of these dating and relationship product over here, that means you're going to promote and sell this product to people who are specifically interested in dating and relationship. You see? Because there's people out there that want something like this. Does that make sense? And you understand, let's say if you were selling like some type of online marketing or e-business or some type of like online business type of stuff, meaning that people are looking to build a business online. You can click on online marketing here and e-business and e-marketing, right there, you can see that this, for example, the first product over here, if you click on it, this millionaire and partner system, this product over here, this is a product that's going to teach people how to make money online, build an online business, and look how much money you're earning. 1,037 and 37 and 62 cents. That's how much money is going inside your pocket if you were to promote this product over here. Okay, so if you promote it, this is how much money will go inside your pocket. So you see, so you have to sell a product to someone. Okay, is that making sense, guys? You have to sell something to somebody if you want to make money. Okay, it's not about just you trying to have some type of like, you know, crypto investment or whatever. Okay, no, find a way you can build an audience of people online. You could use YouTube, you could use Facebook, whatever platform. You build an audience of people who are specifically interested in a specific topic and something, and then you attach a product around that specific topic. Okay, you can create content on like YouTube, Facebook, and then around a specific type of audience or specific type of people who are interested in a specific topic. And then, for example, if they're interested in relationship, I just showed you guys on the Digistore 24, you can sell products around relationship if that product that you're going to sell is actually going to solve their problem. Make sense? So you need to sell something online. It's not just about you thinking that, oh, you know what, I just want to invest in some crypto, I just want to invest in some whatever investment. No. Okay, build an audience, leverage the audience. We live in an internet era, a digital era, where you can build an audience online and then attach a specific product that audience is going to be interested in. If it's finance, it's finance. If it's technology type of product, it's technology. People are interested in a lot of things. We live in a digital era, like I keep repeating myself over and over. The reason why I'm saying that is so it can get stuck in your head, because I love you. Okay, sell something. Okay, find something that you're going to promote and sell to people out there. Don't just think the way they make money is to jump on some crypto or some weird investment that you have no clue about. Okay, sell a specific something to someone, a product to someone. Look at all the biggest business around you. We're talking from like, Adidas. We're talking from Coca-Cola, Burger King. They all sell something. Burger King is a business that sells burger. Okay, in a McDonald's, they sell burger, Coke, fries, right? You go to Adidas, they sell shoes. You go to like Best Buy, they sell a bunch of electronic items. You see all the business around you, the billion-dollar businesses, they sell a certain thing to someone, right? Even the billion-dollar businesses. So if you truly want to make money online or just making money in general, you have to sell something. Okay?